friends, we are going to see in this video how to add end cards and I button on your video using your mobile phone. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Don't miss the future videos. Open browser on your mobile. Enable the desktop mode. Open your YouTube channel. Click YouTube Studio option on your screen. YouTube Studio window now opened. Click the videos icon on your left side menu bar. Choose your video for adding end screen and I button, click any one video. Now some icons are opened. Click the pencil icon. And now editing window opened. The full video details are appeared here. Click the iCards option. The new window open now. Here view your selecting video and time duration. Place your cursor on correct time or middle of the time, and now click the Add Card option. Now, some options are opened. Here, select Videos and Playlist option. Now, your channel videos and playlist are opened. Choose any video from your channel, and click the Select button. Now, your video card placed here. You add one or more card placed on your video. Now, choose Place Another Card. So click the Another time stamp. The same procedure to add another card. So here, I placed the playlist card. Now, your videos and playlist card added to your video. The cards are automatically saved on your video. So, you click the backward option. The I buttons are successfully added on your video. We hope you like this video. If like this video, please hit the like button, suggest your comments, and share your friends. Finally, thanks for watching.